Sorry about the delay there, ladies and gentlemen. Dog wanted toilet as soon as I ended the stream. Right. So now we can sort that playlist out if it goes wrong. Or that video, should I say. So we were going to test you, weren't we? Because we just moved it. Pop. There we go. Right, she's teleported over. I can't get past these chairs. Those chairs are bloody annoying. I might actually just move them. Oh no, I'm stuck. Quick, get up here. Yeah, these chairs here, they're just bloody annoying where they are. Yeah, what I might do is reorganize them so there's 2 layers of viewing.
This is
I need to solve that.
Hey, Missy,
there you go.
This guy saved me from that bitch running around.
Oh, hey, Sparky. If you vouch for them, then he'll let them in. But in watching them...
Thanks, Beck.
Oh no, if I skip it, it does that. Oh no, that's very bad. Uh-oh. If you skip it, it doesn't play the shot, and the shot's vital to my thing working. Oh no. Don't skip the shot. There really should be a can't skip. Because that's annoying that it skips it. When I really need it not to skip. Play rate, restore state, disable movement, disable look at, hide player. Because there is a can be exited. If I stop that... No, because you can still skip it, I think. Let's see if you can still skip it. Wow. If you can't problem solve... We really should write these down and add it to...
Ma'am, are you all right?
Where's my dog moaning to come in?
Please. Good.
Come on.
Yes, but we just want...
You need toilet. Come on. I think she's toilet again.
Thanks for the life, guy.
Give me a minute, Tifa.
Okay, Sparky.
Ah.
Hey Vic, I enjoyed last night.
Right.
Yeah,
start her speaking.
Man, she's...
Right, I'll be back in 1 minute.
How was she? Damn, man. She takes it like a bitch and... Damn, you... I'm back. Right.
Hey Missy, this guy saved me from that bitch running around.
Oh, hey, Sparky. If you vouch for them, then he'll let them in. But in...
Thanks, babe.
Oh no, you can still skip it. Arg. There's no like on skip or anything. I could try disabling movement input. Maybe enter counts as movement, but again, it's another bug with the plugin. That's the annoying thing.
That guy was a... I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah, wait. Come. That. Firm. I was. Yeah, that.
Hey!
No, the fact is you can still skip it. I don't think this is going to work, even if she does hurry up.
Come back when you
Hey, Missy, this guy saved me from that bitch running around.
Oh, hey, Sparky.
Thanks, babe.
No, I've pressed it too late. Unless I don't play the shot there. If I don't play the shot there and I play it on dialogue end, it might work better because then you can't skip it. As annoying. But I want it to play halfway through. Great level sequence. Let's see how it looks. It might look alright. You shouldn't have to sacrifice vision for that though. So I'll definitely recommend this as a change, I think.
Wow.
Ability to prevent skipping.
I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah, wait. Come. That.
Okay, Sparky.
Ah, missed.
Always looking
Wait, what?
Hey, Vic, I enjoyed last night.
This is
good. Yeah, me too. See you tonight.
Man,
she's so
Oh, yes, because she's ending the dialogue, isn't she?
Wow.
Alright, let's see what it looks like anyway, because maybe I can patch it to only work at that specific dialogue.
I'll see you. Please, good. Yeah. Wait. Come.
Actually, what I could do is maybe look at
Okay,
playing a
Sparky.
sequence.
Always looking
Ah,
good.
bugger.
Hey, Vic, I enjoyed last night. Hey,
Yeah, me too.
Look at
See you tonight. Man, she's so
preventing.
shut the fuck up, Harlow.
Firm. I was. Yeah, that.
Look at making an event to spawn a level sequence and see what that does.
Damn, man. She takes it like a bitch in here.
Damn, you lucky.
this is VIP.
Hey, Missy, this guy saved me from that bitch running around.
Oh, hey, Spark.
Thanks.
It's not perfect. This music is not very good to skip. How can I only play this if a specific dialogue is played? You can't, not easily. Can I add this to a task? Because if I can, then maybe we just make a narrative task that says play this shot, do not allow skip or something. Actually, I wouldn't even need to. It just said play this shot and it will play it. The tasks we want, events. Hello, bro. Hello, DJ. How you doing, buddy? Can I play this here? No, you can't. Okay, so you can't play it there. Actually, I think we tried that earlier, didn't we? First like, first chat. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. let's start Discord up. We'll post in the narrative chat as a suggestion. Maybe if he ever gets back to it, he can do it. But honestly, I think if you're going to stop maintaining something, at that point, you should just make it open source so people can maintain it themselves. Hi, I have a suggestion to maybe add as a feature. What is it? The ability to prevent section lines from being skipped via enter. Some of my cutscenes. Yeah, I'm just typing in Discord now. See? Ooh. Some of my sequences drive gameplay functionality, like unlocking a door, hiding a boulder, spawning a boulder kind of thing. But if you skip the shot, it stops the sequence. What else? On all my other sequences, if you skip them, it just fast forwards it, so all the events still run. Is this able to be added? Where would you add it? You'd add it to like these, wouldn't you? To the cinematics or details section. Like can skip default to true / default to true. There you go. Right. I have a suggestion to maybe as a feature, the ability to prevent lines from being skipped via enter. Some of my sequences drive gameplay functionality, like unlocking a door, spawning a boulder kind of thing, but if you skip that shot, it stops the sequence. All my other sequences, if you skip them fast forwards to the end, so the events will still run. Is this able to be added to cinematics? Added to the cinematics or detail section, like can skip defaulted to true. There we go. Right, okay, I think that'll do. Okay, right, let's kill Discord then. Okay, so at the moment, as it stands, there's nothing we can do, which sucks. Or is there something we can do? Just thinking. Because it is kind of here, we need it, but we only need it on a certain part of the dialogue. If I do on NPC line finished, can I get the line? Because if I can, then I could at least maybe do something with that. Line, break it. It's all crap. It's not going to work. That's the thing. You should have the ID. I'm going to post that as another one. Ability to get the ID in dialogue lines so you can add. So you can add specific dialogue things. Another suggestion, the ability to get the dialog line ID from the dialog line. What is it? I don't even know. Dialog line struct. This would help being able to spawn and do things on specific lines rather than lines, as at moment you can't spawn anything in events. Sad face. There we go. So if we can get the line ID, then I could have just gone, if this ID equals this, then do this, which would work. But you can't. So I'm just going to start piling suggestions up. It's a bit late now to ask for money back. I won't ask for money back yet until he completely writes it off. So this music's awful. Skip. So let's have a look. Hold on. Let's open a calculator up. So in 5.03 plus 2.38 plus, well, I should just do that, 7.1. So in 19 minutes, actually in 3 minutes, we've been streaming for 8 hours with very minor breaks. Fantastic. Look how good we are. Right, how can I do this? That text looks awful. I shouldn't just be have to do that. I'll just do that for now. What are you? You're a text. Okay. How do I set text? Okay, I don't think you can. Nope, that's not going to do it. That's not going to do it. Speaker, break speaker info. So I could get if the speaker is this, but that's not going to help. Get current. Can't break anything. Oh, how can I just play this but not let them skip it? It's a good one. I don't know what to do, because if you skip it, it completely breaks the game. And we can't have it game-breakingly bad, because that's not good. Oh, okay, I know how to do it. It's not nice, but there's nothing else we can do at the moment, unfortunately. Break the log line. If that equals... Nope. If that equals that, then I will create a variable in here called text to play sequence, which is awful. A horrible way of doing it. I really don't like it, but no else I could do. So in here, thanks babe. Maybe I should try and fix narrative and ask him if he'll put the changes in. To be fair, I did actually. I fixed the Linux version. Asked him to put the changes in. Still waiting for that. But he's been very busy on Simpsons, that's the problem. If I put that there, like that, and hide that, and then if it is, play that. Like so. That should hopefully play it only if that line specifically plays, which is not nice, because then it gives us... The reason it's not nice is, one, you're checking against a string or some text, which is not going to be as quick as, say, an ID, because the ID theoretically should be indexed, so it'd be quicker, but it depends how Unreal works, I guess. But also, if I ever want to change the text, I now have to remember to change it in 2 places, which means it's difficult, whereas I'm rarely going to change the ID. because it's a unique identifier. The text can change.
Private. Hey.
Right, I should still be able to skip this, but it's still at the end of the dialogue. Should play it, and it's not playing it now, which means it's doing well.
This is.
Hey, Missy.
Oh, hey.
Thanks.
No, it didn't work. Why didn't it work? Break there. Okay. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. We've done it. 8-hour stream. Obviously broken into 3 parts, but 8-hour stream.
I'll see you.
Game dev for life, ladies and gentlemen. And honestly, I could sit doing this all day.
Okay, Sparky. Always looking
What?
good.
Ah, I think we're far enough. Right, what's the... That's false. What are you? What do you mean you're blank?
I enjoyed.
What do you mean you're blank? You should be blank. I've set your text. That's the description. Ah! That one. There we go. Right. Let's, just to be safe, print that name. What do you mean directions are incompatible? Oh, that way. We get to sit doing a cutscene in a minute, so it's going to be a lot nicer, I think. Actually, let's load Discord up, just in case he is there. I think he's asleep now, actually. Because you never know, he might post. Discord up. Yeah, okay. Yeah, everybody's just raving about that, how he put... is the latest video, that's the thing. So maybe he should hire me. I'll learn C++ and he can hire me to help do narrative. I'd like that. Okay. Right, I don't want to break point on that. I want to print these out and see what's said, because then I should be able to monitor the lines that specifically she says.
I'll see. Good. Yeah. Wait. Come.
Okay. Wait. Why is she thanks, babe? She shouldn't have thanks, babe yet. Oh yeah, that's mine, isn't it? So if I go back to here. Why is she printing that out first? They're printing... Oh, yeah, no, it prints top to bottom, doesn't it? Okay, yeah, that's fine. Goodness.
The bodyguard.
Yeah.
Hey.
Just waiting for it to get up now. I did see a video the other day on how to make your character have an idle animation, and I am tempted to do that. Because that sounds cool, you know, if you leave it for long enough.
Hey, Missy, this guy.
Oh.
Thanks.
Well, that worked that time. Fantastic. So if I run back to you. Yes! Halabajula! Ha ha! Okay, right, we're good. We're good. Right, delete that. Delete that. Okay, random music. Okay. See, the thing about the line thing, I think that would be dead easy to add. Because all you do, if I'm right, is find where the settings here are created, because they've got to be created somewhere. That one, you just make exposable, so that's fine. Then you'd add an extra boolean down here, a variable in the struct. Actually, Is it C++? It's probably written in C++, let's face it. So let's have a look anyway, see what we can get. Plugins, narrative. There. We'll open both up. Default events, default tasks. What's default events? Oh yeah, look, there's outright no forget. What's Big Inquest do? Big Inquest. Oh, it literally just called Big Inquest. Okay. So it's not that then. Conditions, editor, icons. So there's the icons for the UI, which is empty. Assets. Oh, didn't even know we had audio. There's all the UI, which we will have to update one day. Then we've got the editor, which is also blank. So then if we go into narrative, I don't know C++. Can I like show this in File Manager? Oh, I can. What we got? Let's have a look. So it's the dialogue we need, which is not there. What about in there? Is there a dialogue? There is a dialogue in there, look. So there's the struct. There's the speaker ID, look. I think, no, that's the speaker ID, that's not the right one. Is there a dialogue line? Dialogue asset, dialogue blueprint generate, SM, that one? It could be that. I don't know C++, this is the problem. But theoretically, all you do is add a boolean, and then wherever the enter key is to skip something, because it's got to be coded somewhere, it's just if dialog line can skip, then skip. It's got to be, it can't be that. Not difficult, it can't be any more than that, that's what I mean. But I don't know C++ enough. Dialog settings, what's that? Min dialog text display time, letters per minute. Oh, that's that thing he said where how it displays it. To be fair, I could grep it actually. How do I grep again? So it's that there. There we go. So if I grep, what was I looking for? Let's have a quick look. It's entertaining to learn how it works, to be fair. So if I come here and I say want to search for dialogue sound. Ouch, that's used in a lot of places. There we go. Dialogue SM, dialogue sound, dot dialogue sound equals dialogue sound, that bit there. There's the bit where we start using it, which would make maybe that. No, because that's defining a class. So there's the if for dialogue sound, so if you play audio. So you'd also have an if skip. And there's the play dialogue. So we're looking in dialogue.cpp. Okay, we're looking in the Big Daddy files. Where is it? Private. Dialogue.cpp, that one. It's not massive, to be fair. It's just very well put together, that's the other thing. If start dialogue, deinitialize, if what was I looking for? If line.dialog sound, if line.dialog sound. There we go. Play dialog sound implementation. So if dialog sound, stop it, destroy it, and then replay it. If it's an NPC actor, spawn the sound at the... Oh, it does spawn it at the actor's location. Interesting. Because that didn't work for me. If the dialogue was supplied on an NPC actor, we should play the sound at the location of the actor. Interesting. I couldn't get that to work, which is why Victor's and her dialogue wasn't in there, because it was 2D. That's interesting. That should work. I wonder if I was doing something wrong with that. Okay, so now we've found this method. I'm assuming that's the return type. No, it's not got a return type. I don't know what that double colon thing is. And we're passing in the dialog line. So it's F dialog line. So if we grab this and we grep for this. It's only used in 2 places. Wait, if it's only used in 2 places, then where's it called from? This is where my lack of C++ knowledge is coming in. It could be called from Unreal. If I go... if I CD back out of Unreal, regrep that now, it's still the same thing. So unless it's in dialog.h, which is back in this one. Dialog.h. What was it called? It was called that, weren't it? I'm thinking, because I thought the H file just said run this. U function blueprint. Okay, so that's something to do with Unreal. So maybe it says when you call that, play that. Maybe. Which is called in a lot more places. So back to narrative, dialogue, and I want to look for that. Oh, which is right here, look. Short default. So how do you skip? Skip current line. Ah, yeah, see? We just put it there and do not allow skip, I think. That's only in one place. Is it in here? Yes. Callable category dialogue. Yeah, so we just prevent that somehow. I'd need to study it more and I'd need to understand bloody Unreal more. Unreal and narrative. But I think you could easily add in a skip. I think so. I think you could. I kind of really want to do it, but then I have to compile it and it'll take forever to compile it. I need to up my I need to up my C++ game. What was the other one? Get the dialog line ID. I reckon that one can't be too bad. What is it? You've got the H file. I don't know what a H file is. But it's like a struct we need. So if we go back to here and regrep. Ah, yeah, because we've got those two now. That's why. Screen apple, message retracted. Well, I didn't see a message, damn you. Right, if we come in here and we search for alternative lines, where's it declared? It's declared in dialog.sm.h. Public dialog.sm.h, so it's defined there. Right? I think. Right, so where's alternative lines? If alternative lines are added here, narrative will randomly select either the main line or one of the alternatives. This can make dialogues more random and believable. Yes, it can. I fully agree with that. Okay, so I don't know what to do with this. I just need an int. No, a text. I need something. Well, that's in public, which I'm going to assume makes it publicly available. And these are private. Void and... oh, that's in public again. Oh, why have you gone public, private, public? Oh, that's only in editor, maybe. Maybe that's it. So if we've found the alternative lines, let's look for the... Is it possible to finish programming 24 hours? So what do you mean by finish? As in fully learn a language? Probably not. I've been programming for 10 years and I still haven't fully learned every language. Well, the languages I use. You kind of use it as in when you do. Or do you mean the ability to learn programming within 24 hours enough to be able to code stuff? Because I'd say it depends. Actually, if I look how he's categorized it, cymatics, dialog.sm, where's the cymatics in here? Cymatics. There. Oh, where was the details? What are you? Dialogue, sound, text. Ah, here we go. Now we just need to find where the ID is, and it'll be in here, I think. What if I just search for ID? Can I get lucky? Oh, I can do. I don't know what happens if I edit this while it's live. Speaker ID. I don't think it's speaker ID. This whole game. What? Are you working on a game, or are you talking about my game? If you talk about my game, no, I don't think anybody could code my game in 24 hours. It's too big now. If you talk about your game, I don't know what your game is. My guess is it's that. Because that's just called ID there. This is the ID of the speaker. Yeah, I think it's that. But then you should be able to get it via editor. Oh, let's do it. Let's just ID. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen. Look at it. There's too many. ID space. Oh, it's better. We've got less. Kind of. Okay, where was the alternative lines? All alternative lines. So that's got a semicolon after it. So if we maybe search for the semicolon. Is it that? Narrative node base, fname ID. Because there's no other IDs. Well, it's just standalone. Because the variable's got to be called the same thing. Surely. My game, no. Nobody could code my game in 24 hours. Maybe if you were an absolute boss and you were using all the same plugins I'm using, maybe you could code my game in 24 hours. Maybe? But it's very big, that's the thing. Maybe if you had all the Unreal knowledge and you had the same plugins as me, probably you could. But if you're going into this to create it all from fresh, no, I don't think anybody could code that. Maybe a team could, sure, but... Right, where was you? Because I'm enjoying ripping this apart and learning how it works. Because I'm learning C++ too, you see. So we're in public. Narrative node base. You. There's an ID somewhere in here. It's there, look. Edit anywhere. Blueprint read only. Okay, well, that says it's read only. I'm fine with. I just want to be able to get the ID though. Oh, I wonder if that is how you do that description. Come back. How did I get back to you? Oh, how do you do it? I hovered over the ID earlier and I swear it said that. So that says you can edit it from anywhere and it's read only, and the category is in details, which is true. I don't know what that meta display parity is, but we can't get it for some reason. What's this say? Edit anywhere, blueprint read only, category details meant advanced display. What happens if we put advanced display like that? Should we do it and see what happens? What happened? Break dialogue line. Well, nothing changed there. Let's reboot Unreal. Because if this works, this would be awesome. Solve the issue that we've had for ages. And while we're there, we may as well go on and solve everything else. Post everything in chat, but like, here you go. Enjoy, chaps. Why not? To be fair, this used to be my job for like 5 years. In my company was support, was picking up random software you've never seen before, figuring out how to use it, and figuring out how to fix bugs. So it's fun. I enjoy this. It's a nice challenge, but it's just a bit of a it feels a bit pointless because you can't deploy the changes. So like I could get the changes, I can't deploy them, but I could build them up and send a document to, you know, the guy Rubes, whatever his name is. I never know how to say his name. Right, we're back on. It says it's not broke, that's the start. But still no ID. Well, it was a guess, let's face it. Yeah, okay, there's no text there. Has it edited anything at all? An option ID can be left empty. Let's see if the changes are actually applied. So let's edit on that. An option ID for this node can be left empty. Hi, Dan. Right. Can be left empty. Okay, so it's not loaded then. Let's save that. Right, let's reopen it. Because if this applies, then we know I can make live changes to the source code. Which is good, because this is in the editor, I think. No, it's not. Why is this in Documents, Unreal 5? Oh no, yeah, that's right. It is in the engine, yeah. It's in the engine, so I can make live edits if that's true. If I can't, then that means I do have to edit the source code, then run it, and then test it, which for me takes anything between 2 minutes to 40 minutes, depending on... No, I don't know what depends on. It just depends on how my computer's feeling, I guess. I would have thought it would have been easier than this to make the ID visible. You know, just something like ability to add diagonal ID from the line struct. This would be able to spawn things to lines. At the moment, you can't spawn events. Yeah, I was going to ask about this as well. Could be really useful. Okay, you've just repeated what I said, Raz. I was reading this, look, another suggestion, blah, 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 and I'm reading it. It's like, this sounds a lot like mine. And then, yeah, I was going to this could be really useful. But how fast is your PC? I think it's quite fast, or it used to be at least. It's an i7 processor, but for some reason it just don't like compiling on Linux. It could be why Unreal takes 4 hours. To be fair, my computer is nearly 10 years old, so... blueprints, narrative, dialogue, missing wife, club message. Because if I can solve this, then I can post it into chat and go, look, boom, here it is. Right, so theoretically, if I hover over the ID, can be left it. Okay, so that's not how you do descriptions then. Either that or it's not picking up, because I've put hi down there to do look at removing. Alright, okay. Yeah, that's the other thing. I've got to be careful because if I break the networking, then that's not going to work. So what was it? It was an optional ID for this node can be left empty. It's only used in one place, which means it's got to be I'm in the right place, which brings me back to the first point. It doesn't work. Okay, so it doesn't work then. Narrative-base.h. So I can't edit the live source code. It doesn't recompile it. So it must cache it somewhere. Why does it store it in there then? That bit I don't get. I run it there. Oh, we've got a lot more there now. Ooh. So if I go like that and grab this file hither, can be left empty. If I go, hi Dan. Oh, that's the tooltip. That's the comment as well. Okay, hi Dan. Comment, and then hi Dan tooltip. Because I'm going to know if it says hi Dan, aren't I? Why are all... Oh, so that's for the game. So that's when it compiles it to a game. I rerun that, it says hide down, hide down. Okay, right. So if I grab this and redo it again for the editor version, because it could be I was just in the wrong place and maybe we can run it live. Can be live. There we go. Hide down, comment, editor. Hide down, comment, hide down, tooltip editor. Right, what's it saying now? Can be left end. Okay, right, let's reboot. If it don't work this time, we'll get back on with game. It's just a bit of fun. Can we hack into this mod? Even though somebody who knows C++ and Unreal is probably just clapping their head going, what are you doing? But it's all learning, because now we know where the Unreals are stored, where the plugins are stored, and we know how it all works together. So it's coming along nicely. Just waiting for this. It's taking its time though. Do you think it's recompiling? Right, let's open this up. If it's worked, that's good. That means I can live change the code. Come on. Ah, poor. Okay. We'll do. Yeah, that's the only place it can be. Actually, there is whatever this SO thing is. That is one more we've not done. It's a binary file, so I think it's compiled. So maybe we can't actually look at it, and maybe you do just have to edit the source file and run it. Yeah. Can be edited. Nope, doesn't exist. Okay. Okay. Let's do a test then, because I need to recompile the narrative plugin soon anyway. Why have I got narrative 2? I think you're the broken compile version. Okay. So if I go into this there, if I were to run that grep, how many have we got? We've got a binary file for the Windows version, which we don't want. We want these ones. Because if I edit these, next time I rebuild Unreal, if I remember to check this, because I've got to make some changes anyway to it to actually be able to actually build it. What was it? Can be edited. Right, can be left empty. If I go hide down, comment, what's this? Game. And then do hide down, tooltip game. If I save that, and we do the exact same for this one, next time I compile it, I'll try to remember to look for this comment, because then we're reverse engineering the code. You found something the way it works, you're going back to figure out how it works. What is it? Can be left empty. Yeah, that is still the ID. Hide down, comment engine. Hide down, tooltip engine. Because my guess is it's that. I think all you need to do is make that not 0 and make it advanced display, or even not have it, and I think it'll show. That's my guess. DOS format. Oh, yeah, because he codes on a Windows. Okay, fine. That we can't touch. I can't imagine it being that. Can be left empty. Let's just see. Test tooltip. Test comment. Yeah. I don't. Test comment. Right. Okay. Okay. So next time I compile Unreal, we should be able to. Next time I compile narrative, sorry, because it'll lag the PC if I do it now. Yeah, I can't do it now. I can't do it now. But I'll do it this afternoon, and I need to somehow make myself a reminder. Let's speak to Google. What shall I say? Set a reminder to check for the ID Hi Dan. When do you want the reminder? No, Set a reminder for 4 hours from now called check the speaker ID for Hi Dan. Okay, it's going to remind me in 4 hours to check for Hi Down. Good enough. Right, okay, so we've had some fun. Let's jump back into work. Right. Oh, this is fun. Right, I'm going to be back in 1 minute while I have a pee, and then we'll crack on with making McDaddy speak. She's the cutest. I don't know, you're pretty attractive, but you're cute. The glasses and the hair just really do it. Right, back a minute. That one. I'm back. Hello. Hello, Screen Apple. Do you like the Cyberpunk theme? Cyberpunk theme is one of my favourite themes of all time. Yes. I love Cyberpunk. I love the game Cyberpunk. I've got several of the comics. I like reading the books. If something's Cyberpunk, a TV show, a movie, I'll watch it. I do love Cyberpunk. It's one of my favourite themes. I just don't have enough Cyberpunk models. I have more standard models, everyday models like this, than I do Cyberpunk ones, so I can't use it that often. Right, how do I want to do this? Well, I do have dialogue already, but stupid me... Oh, there's Valhalla, that one. Yeah, I can switch virtual desktops, by the way, so makes life easy. Stupid me, I broke it bloody up, didn't I? And I didn't remember what I set the dialogue to. Like, I've lost the script, basically. Where is it? I'm going to see if I've still potentially got it, but I'm more than 100% I've got rid of it. Ooh. No, I've got rid of it. Because it's Franklin from GTA who voices McDaddy. Because Franklin's a gangster. So I figured it'd work quite well. And I'm not wrong. Oh, what are you? Oh, no, damn. Okay. So I don't have the script anymore. Ugh. I'm a genius, apparently. Okay, that was fun playing with narrative. I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that way too much. So I'm definitely going to try that later. And if it works, then we can start just trying to tweak things ourselves. And if it works, then I can just submit files. Even if it's... he probably hosts it on GitHub, let's face it. But I doubt it's going to give me access to the GitHub repo. So... what sounds have I got? Let's start there. Missing wife. Actually, what's Agent 2 doing alone? Clue, not enough clues. Okay. Missing wife. McDaddy Slim. Oh, that's a lot. Do you like Cyberpunk? Yeah, I love Cyberpunk, honest to God, I really do.
But you saved my girl, so I'm going to give you 3 questions in this current circumstance.
It sounds so dodgy. Right, let's create his dialogue, because then at least we could start piecing together what on earth he's saying. Dialogue blueprints. Okay, we ain't got one for him, so we'll go narrative. Actually, I'm going to copy the stripper because the stripper already contains most of it. McDaddy. And it's McDaddy, not MC Daddy. I can imagine some people in the future reviewing going, oh, MC Daddy, it's not MC Daddy, it's McDaddy. No, it's MC Daddy. No, it's McDaddy right now. Think Scotland, it's McDaddy. I'm saying it now. I know what people are like. McDaddy, that's his name. That's always in his name. Yeah, I've had copyrights already. Let's see. Frosty the Snowman. I was copied for Frosty the Snowman. Do you drink caffeine? I don't drink caffeine. I'm just naturally hyperactive. Which is odd because I've been up since 4:30. No, I generally don't drink caffeine, don't drink tea. The only hot drink I drink is hot chocolate. I just don't like the taste of coffee or tea. Maybe if I tried hundreds of them, I'd probably find one I like, but no, I just drink sugar-free drink. Right, I'm just very hyper. Everybody says that. My missus has a saying when I wake up, I'm 0 to 100 in 10 minutes. Do I drink soda? I do, but I've not had any in a few weeks now. Like, I don't go out and actively buy it. Like, if we have a takeaway and it comes with a drink, I'll have the soda. Or if I'm having a meal deal, which is like where you go to the shop and you get a sandwich, a bag of crisps and a drink, then I'll have a soda. Or if we order lunch, I'll have a soda kind of thing. But typically, I just drink my sugar-free juice. So, yeah. Right. Righty. Righty-ho. So McDaddy isn't here. Let's add him as a speaker. And I need to figure out who else I need to add as speaker as well. Who we got? We got 4 members. Sparkle Swallows, Agent 2. Agent 9. Okay, Agent 9 is there. Good. Let's add McDaddy. How do you stay up all day? Well, I am still questioning this with my missus. I've woke up since at 4:30, and if I'm on my computer doing stuff, I can be up all night. I could 24 hours easy, because I don't know what it is about my brain. If I'm on the computer, I'm fine. If I go and sit in bed, I'll fall asleep in 10 minutes, daytime or nighttime. So I don't tend to sit in bed often. But yeah. It's something about the computer. It's just rewired my brain that I can stay up. I'm not immortal kind of thing with it. Like after when we get to like 1 o'clock, if I'm not hyper focused, I will start to feel tired. At that point, I just go to bed. But otherwise, if I'm smashing through every task completely fine, I'm not procrastinating, I'll easily crash 24 hours and not have a problem, and then fall asleep later. So yeah, just. Generally, I let my body fuel itself. That's it. Oh. Yes. It's very good. People don't like it. I get a lot of complaints. My missus is a huge coffee drinker. First thing as soon as she wakes up, she drinks a coffee, and then she keeps drinking coffee non-stop till like 6 p.m. or like a few hours before she goes to bed. My mum does the same. People at work do the same, and no, it's none of it for me. Trying to think what to. Oh yeah, so McDaddy. What colour shall I make McDaddy? Let's go and have a look at him. It's kind of purple, isn't it? Let's make him. I've crashed the editor. Wait, what did I do? I don't know what I did. Did I press Alt S?
Wow.
Oh, I must have pressed Alt S somehow. Weird. Are you a big coffee drinker, Screen Apple, then? It's more common to be a coffee drinker than not a coffee drinker, so it's not like you're not normal if you are a coffee drinker. Let's do pinkish purple. That can be McDaddy, which is odd because you'd think that'd be Sparkles, but right. Oh yeah, his name's McDaddy Slim as well, isn't it? McDaddy Slim. We'll also give you a skeleton. There we go. Yeah, that's right. Right. McDaddy can start the conversation off like so. Right, now I need to start piecing the bloody words together because I have no idea what's gone off. I shouldn't have deleted it. I really shouldn't have. Right, let's start with... Yeah, I've put all her stuff in there to McDaddy, that's the problem. Okay, McDaddy Slim. Let's start here. Can I dock this to make life easier? There we go. Ew. Come on, dock it together. Ah, perfect. Okay, what's this one?
Alien invasions, man.
Copy that. If I create a McDaddy Slim comment here, paste it in there.
Alien invasions, man. You too crazy, but you be alright.
Alien invasions. Man. Oh, that's my keyboard. Man, you too crazy, but you be right. But you be alright. Okay. Okay, we've got one dialogue. Loads more to go. Have you read George Orwell 1984? No, I've never read it, but I know the rough gist of it, how everything's going to go crazy eventually due to technology and people being consumed and stuff like that, I think. I've never read it.
But you saved my girl, so I'm going to give you 3 questions in this current circumstance.
Okay. McDaddy Slim. Purple works really well for McDaddy Slim. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? We'll get it open. Find all of the underscores and replace it with a... Is that gonna work? Let me just try some. Yes, that did work, yeah. Fine. GTA Franklin, hi-fi, okay. But you saved my girl. So I'm going to give you 3 questions. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can pin you there.
But you saved my girl, so I'm going to give you 3 questions in this current circumstance.
I think that's how you spell circumstance. So you say my girl. Okay, so there's 2 of them.
Hey, you bitch. Who the fuck you bringing into my crib?
So that's one of the first ones, so I know that. Is bringing got a G in it? It does. So I know that's one of the first ones, so I can plug that in nicely. Because after that, I know she talks to him. So if actually, while I no, we'll keep going here. We'll keep going here.
Hey, you go and get some drinks for our guests.
I don't know where I need to stop putting full stops at the end of it because I don't do it to everything, and I think it looks no actually punctuation. Yeah, we will put full stops at everything. McDaddy Slim. So go and get some drinks for our honoured guests. I think it's somewhere like here. That's what it sounds like. And I think he asked you if you're cops at one point. Yeah, okay, this is briefly coming back.
If you ain't cops, then you can't be stupid enough to be asking questions.
Let's do another McDaddy Slim line. Yeah, I'm gonna try and piece it together where I think they go, because then I can try and piece it up again later. So I think somewhere around here says yes, we're cops and looking for alien invasions, and then I think this one is like no, we're not cops. So it says here, if you ain't cops, then you're idiots, kind of thing. Because you're asking questions, so gangsters don't like asking questions. Right.
Kinda, how can you kinda be a cop? You either is a pig or you ain't. Which is it?
What was that again?
Kinda, how can you kinda be a cop? You either is a pig or you ain't. Which is it?
How can you kinda be a cop? Let's see what it says.
Kinda, how can you kinda be a cop? You either is a pig or you ain't. Which
You
is it?
either is a pig or you ain't. Which is it? Right, let's make sure I've got that right now. I should have noted these down. This is why I keep the spreadsheet, because then I can paste them in, but...
Kinda, how can you kinda be a cop? You either is a pig or you ain't. Which is it?
Okay, yeah, that's right now. And I think there's 3 options here, and one of them is kinda. But I can't remember. I swear it's something like that so far.
No drink. So what do you want then? Money, girls.
Good thing about writing the story yourself is you can remember half of it. Because I think after you go get some drinks and he says, no drinks for me, please. And then McDaddy Slim comes in and goes, what? You don't want a drink? So what are you here for? You know, go away. That kind of thing. Money, girls. Okay, what's the next one?
Question, so what are you, the cops?
And then this is where it leads into the next part where he's like, how can you kind of be a cop kind of thing?
So you rescue my girl. I owe you.
You rescue my girl, I owe you. I don't know what that one is. So we'll just stick you there.
Tight, that's tight. You'll get to work while I talk to these fine gentlemen.
Okay, that one I know is near the beginning. Because then Sparkle says something. And then McDaddy says, tight, do that. And then he says something like, people get lost. And then says, hey, you go get some drinks. And then you say no drinks. Okay, yeah. So we're getting there. Kind of.
What do you need?
McDaddy Slim. You pop. Okay, so far I still can't piece it together enough. Yeah,
You
but...
man, I don't deal with no cops. Normally I would take you out back and deal with you.
I don't like the word of double deal there. So it's, yo man, I don't deal with cops. Normally I'd take you out back and deal with you. No. I don't something with cops, or I don't deal with cops and then I'll take you out back and do something to you and I'd end you or something like that. Okay, so that's his all done. So now we need to speak to Sparkle. Stripper, Sparkle Swallow. McDaddy?
Hey, McDaddy, I was jumped by that crazy chick again and this guy's helped me.
Okay, that's one of them.
Kinda, yeah. I mean, I did sock her in the jail.
That's for the other one.
Let's go see McDaddy and...
No.
McDaddy has other things.
No.
Nah.
No.
Right, okay. Look, I need to get to work or McDaddy...
No.
Yeah, I work for...
No. Okay, so it's just this one. That's not too bad then. And if we... McDaddy, if we move that there to McDaddy Slim. And then on the stripper, McDaddy, I was jumped. Move that to there. Right, we've at least got this one here for her now. So what does she say?
Hey, McDaddy, I was jumped by that crazy chick again and this guy's helped me.
I was jumped by that crazy chick again, and these guys helped me. Okay, so if we stick that there, tight, that's tight. You get to work while saying that, and then she says see you later guys or something. Yeah, there we go, see you later guys, thank you again. So we can stick that in McDaddy Slim. So that's another thing she can say after this. No, that's McDaddy Slim. Buckle Swallows. Nope. See you later, guys. See you later, guys. Thanks again. Okay, right, okay, so what we got so far? Hey, who you bringing into my crib? Hey, McDaddy, jump like crazy chicken. These guys help me. That's tight. You get to work while I talk to these fine gentlemen. See you later, guys. Thanks again. Hey, you go get some music. So there, we want to tell Sparkle to go back to wherever she came from. Where was that? We can go and grab it actually from the teleporter on the one I've just bloody closed. Because we don't want to teleport, we'll tell it to walk, but it should be walking away kind of thing. Missing wife. Club message, that one. No, it's not that one, it's in the quest, isn't it? That's why. So I did close down on purpose. I subconsciously know. McDaddy Slim. That one. If I copy that and paste it there. And it will do absolutely nothing, as you can see. Let's try copying that again. And again, it will do absolutely nothing, as you can see. Why is it being a pain? Okay, we'll just see if we can copy the inner variables then. Maybe it's just having a fit or something, I don't know. Okay, destination. Walk Sparkle Swallows. I don't want a teleporter. And I don't need to search the world for her, so I can just tell her to go there. And let's seal up my chocolate oranges because I'm not eating them. Right.
Kinda. We are just here to help. Kinda, but we are not here for you.
I don't know which one is used where, so I don't know which one is the right one for McDaddy. That one's saying, is there any reference here? So the stripper user kind of we're just here to help. So this one is for McDaddy here. I put McDaddy Slim there and go to that folder. Wait, where are you then? Stripper Agent 9, that's helpful. Are you there? So we already know we have one for the player. Which is there. If we set that to that one and go kinda, but we are not here for you, and then saying that kinda for the option text, so that's one. So hey McDaddy, jump by these girls, tight items red. Times again, hey, get some drinks for I guess, and then somebody needs to say no drinks.
One drink, please.
Nope. But it's just search for no. Oh, there's a lot of no's, I think. See you again. Yes, I'm fine. Thanks. Thanks again. Thanks, babe. Thanks for the lift. Good, thanks.
I'm good, thanks. No, I'm good, thanks. No, we're fine, thank you.
Oh, it's one of them. Okay, let's go to reference viewer. Okay, that's used on Club Bartender. That's used on Club Bartender. That's unused. So it's that one. Let's just say, no, we're fine, thank you. And the option test is, no thanks. No, we're fine, thank you. Okay, so we've got a couple more. So I think that one goes there, and then he goes, drink, you don't want drinks, what do you want, money, girls? And then somebody says, we need to ask you some questions. I'll just put the play dialogue in for now, but I'm not sure if that's going to stay, because a play dialogue for one option is a bit... what do you want? What do you want, the money, girls? No. I think that one goes in between there, to be fair. Like that. So if we search for alien,
An alien.
an alien,
We're from the MIB. We protect against alien invasions.
is that used anywhere? No, so it's probably that one. I don't know the best way to store it, that's the annoying thing. So if I had a player response here, we are from the MIB, we protect the world from alien invasions. Let's see if that's the right one. Because it makes sense to pop up to the alien invasions one.
We're from the MIB. We protect against alien invasions.
We protect against alien invasions. And the guy goes, alien invasions? Man, you two all right. Pop. I don't know what you do after that. Kind of want to hear if you ain't cause so the kind of part goes there. If you ain't cops, then you can't be stupid enough to asking questions. But some ago, I'll give you 3 questions current 7%. Okay, so that one matches up there. Then I guess we can go back to here on the sounds and search for questions. Questions hat. Can I ask you some?
Good. Can I ask you some questions? I'll stay here and question. Ham.
So that's the stripper. So that's some questions. Just need to ask you a few questions. Just ask a few questions. Now can we just ask you some questions? Nope, nope, nope. They're all taken up. I'm in sounds, so how do I get the reference here up again? Control Shift R. Okay. I think I found it. Okay, so it's that one.
No, we just want to ask you a few questions.
So that means Agent 2 is in this scene then. Okay. If I had Agent 2 then and put it there. And then put you there and put, no, we just want to ask you a few questions. Or is that one before? I don't know now. Where's Agent 2 in there? He's not in there. We put Agent 2 there and then put another folder inside there called McDaddy Slim. Then what I can do is go back to sounds and move that into there, like so. Okay, I'm running out of ideas. So we've got some more over here, which is useful, I guess. I don't think that one goes there. I don't think I finished writing this script, you know. I think that's why I'm struggling to find it, because I never finished it. So you come in, no drink, what do you want, money, girls, and then, no, we just want to ask you some questions, which I think's there, but I'm not 100% sure now. Maybe it is that. Maybe it does go like that. And then he goes, questions, what are you cops? We're from the MIB and an evasion. Something, I don't know what that is. Kinda, but we're not here for you. Kinda, you either is or you ain't. Unless it's that. But we'll see. That might be the case. I don't deal with cops to take you out the back. But, I think these two join up. Have I got the asset plugin thing in? I used to have a plugin which tells you which assets are used and which aren't. But I don't think I've got it anymore. I don't think I ever compiled it. Reference viewer. That show me all of that, but I want to see everything in here. I basically want to see what's not got. Is that what I need? That's saying every single one's mapped up, which I don't think I think I've got a lot more sounds than that. Get rid of the reference viewer. That's taking up the full screen. So if I go to sounds, my guess is... No, that's not there. Let's open the reference viewer there again. The breadth limit was reached. Well, let's change it to 60. Ah, that's better. It's going deeper now. What is this? Oh. Okay, so what if then? Let's close this off. Go back to this one. If I go, say, what's in player? What about if I go to player? Throne, it's full. Oh, okay, that's one of the ones I've not used.
A little rubbish in the middle of a parking bay. Throne, it's full.
Okay, let's do Victor. I'm assuming all Victors is mapped up. Let's just see. Let's only show you one at once. We'll have to change you to 3. Okay, so that's nice to see where all that links, so that's fine. But it's only showing me one at once, and I already know they're all used more than once. That one. If I put that there. Okay, so all that's used. It's not showing me everything. Why is it only showing me a little bit? I wonder if there's a filter you can type in here, because I know you can type advanced filters in here for unused and stuff like that, but show redirectors, recently opened, not source controlled, not used in any level. Ooh.
Can I take them to the boss? Ouch, my head. Yes, sir.
I think
Ouch, my head.
I'm surprised that's not used anywhere.
Yes, sir. Can I take them to the boss?
I don't think I need that one, so that must be an old one, so we can get rid of that. If I go McDaddy Slit, uh-oh. Where was it? That one. If I go yes sir and drop that into McDaddy Slim, I think she can say that again. Sparkle Shallows, Swallows. If you can say that there and just go yes sir. Right. No point reattaching it because it might be wrong. Right, this reference viewer is proving to be more useful, so we'll close that off. We don't need that. Okay.
See you later, guys. Thanks again.
That is used.
Hey, McDaddy, I was jumped by that crazy chick.
Unless it's just I've not referenced it anywhere, maybe.
No, we aren't cops. No, we're fine, thank you. No, we're fine, thank you. You belong to McDaddy Slim, the pimp.
That could be useful in there. No, we're fine, thank you is already used.
No, we're fine, thank you.
Where though? Oh, the play there. No drinks, no, we just want to ask you a few questions. I dropped a no, we're fine, thank you into McDaddy there. No, we aren't cops.
No, we aren't cops.
I would have swore that would have been used by what's her name? Stripper Sparkles. Just try to have been used. No, that's a quest. I'm in the quests. No, that's the changing room. We want that one. Just a woman, an alien, doesn't matter. No, just a friend. Oh, maybe we don't. I'll say we're quite cops then. So maybe that is one.
No, we aren't cops.
I wonder if that goes here then. No, we aren't cops. If I put that one there and move that to the Player McDaddy Slim folder, like so. What is this song? It's so weird. So if we linked out to there, move you across to there, like so. So we're from the MO, man, you all right? We could copy the what do you need node. Let's unbind that and put it there. And that can be the same as I'm going to give you 3 questions. Now it's just piecing the rest together. I guess we are getting there quite nicely, actually. I still think that one's used.
McDaddy Slim, the pimp.
Isn't that the same one?
Wait, you belong to McDaddy Slim, the pimp. Wait, you belong to.
No, wait, I think that's the wrong one.
You belong to McDaddy Slim, the pimp.
That is the wrong one, because that one's got weight in it. Ooh. Inconsistencies. Right, if I delete you. Force delete that, that's fine. Get rid of it. Ah, oh, damn it, get rid of it. Okay. Get rid of my pop-up, I mean.
Wait.
You belong to... There we go.
You belong to McDaddy Slim, the pimp.
Right, perfect. So we've got that one which belongs to that now, which is nicer. If I drop you there. Now let's go back into this and see what we've missed. How did I do it now? It was a filter, wasn't it? So like unused? Used in any level. Oh no, that's used in every level. Not used in any level. Okay.
See you later, guys. Thanks.
Well, I've got all of that, so I know you're lying now. Let's just reference it because it's doing my dinner. Where's just a begin dialogue, the dead basic one? There. And we'll just stick you back into root. Because as long as we create a reference, then it'll stop saying it's not referenced. Right, now we've done that, everything should be re-referenced, not used in any level. There we go.
Wait. Hold on 1 minute.
Wait, hold on 1 minute. I think that's from the stripper. Wait, hold on 1 minute.
You belong to McDaddy Slim, the pimp.
Oh no, I put it on the wrong one. Wait. There we go. Let's try that again.
Yes, we are cops, but we just need help. We are cops. We are cops.
Okay, I think what I'll do is place that here for agent for we'll add a player response, but we'll see how it works if I put a different one in there. Yes, we are cops, but we just need help. Yes, we cops. So what I can do with that one is I can now stick it in Agent 2 McDaddy Slim. I love how we've turned to an organizational stream now. I don't know what that one is. And we'll put this unsure. Because again, I don't know what they are.
Here you go.
I think I am meant to use that one.
Here you go.
I don't know why it's in private party though. No one says private. Here you go. Let's move that back to entry allowed. Where is it? Dialogue missing. Club missing. I swear she already has another one. Oh, maybe do. Thanks, babe. And then right here we can do add the dialogue line for her. Here you go. There we go. And we'll do here you go. And then on here, which is that horrible badge we had to put in, I have to update that as well because I remember. There, that one is no longer unused anymore, which is good.
Then she turns around and throws me against the cupboards. Now they all busted up. Then she turns
I've
around
already
and
got
throws
that one, but apparently I haven't. We'll see.
2 is right. 3 parking spaces in a fancy car. I have a bad feeling about this.
Okay, so that one is going to be used eventually, so I'll keep that one.
Yes, McDaddy.
Oh, that's the girl when he says go get me some drinks, so I'll remember her. Come on, let me type. McDaddy. Yes, remember people, just organise your stuff. If I had to organise this, piecing it together would have been a million times easy. Now I'm having to go through and find every bloody reference for something I've missed. Oh yeah, I'm not using the teleport, that's fine. Oh, yeah, that's the music I found that I had, that sounds cool as hell, but... Oh yeah, that's the clue finding. Damn it, the water's washed it. Oh, that's mine. No. Oh, that's very old, that is. That was from day 1 game jam. Oh, what are we on now? Probably 9 hours. Good, good, good. Right. So there was one which was the flat that I just want to go and check out before we do anything. So I can join that to that because that does make sense to over there. I don't know where that one fits. Let's just read it, and if it all makes sense, I'm going to delete it. Hey, who the hell are you bringing into my crib? McDaddy, I was jumped by that crazy chicken. These guys help me. Tight as tight. You get to work. Well, yeah, yes, sir. See you later, guys. Thanks again. Here you go. Some drinks right. Hey, you go and get some drinks right on a grass. Let's have a speaker. And we will go club girl. Club girl. That'll do. And she can be, I don't know, pink. I don't know what colour you'd normally give to a club girl, so. And this one is... Oh, where's she gone? McDaddy Slim. Yes, McDaddy. Oh, that's Ray Palpatine, by the way.
Yes, McDaddy. Yes,
From Star Wars, because I figured why not? It's what voice I found. Right, can I align all these top ones up really nicely? Come on. Why won't let me right click? Oh, you can't right click on them. Interesting. There's a way to format them in the window and make it look nice and all lined up. But for the life of me, I cannot remember how to do it. No, can't remember. I'm gonna have to do it myself. Well, you can only do so much with it, that's the problem. And then that they all come in. Then they share. So you and my girl, yeah, none of this works. Well, not none of it, sorry, that don't work. So we can get rid of you. Force delete. Alright, get rid of you. Ah, no, we removed it again. But it's good that we've figured out how to use a reference viewer now, because it means we can keep our project a bit cleaner. There we go. Wondered where we were then. Make that here. And get rid of that. There we go. Right, okay, so it turns out I haven't actually finished the dialogue. Fantastic. So let's move this across a bit, because it messes up. So that's going to make her go away. Yes, McDaddy, now we can make the club girl go away. Can we actually copy it though? Yes, we can. There we go. So this is going to make Club Girl 1. Club Girl 1. Take a walk. Take a walk. Right, where's she going to walk to? Because theoretically, that ain't open. Look. Yeah, this ain't open. So what I might need to do is see if I can make these things not block nav mesh, but block me. Yeah, like that. Because now the nav mesh will let everything in, which is fine, meaning they can get out. I might just make a walk here, to be fair. Yeah, I'll do. You should make up, down, down, left, right, B, cheat to the whole game. I don't think I'm in a right position just yet to do games. They're cheats, but I do like the idea of putting Easter eggs in. Can never go wrong with a good Easter egg. NPC, Sparkle Swallows. So if we drop you there and make you rotate to there, look. grab you. I don't know why I keep rotating it. If we go back to McDaddy and say to this Club Girl 1, I want you to walk to there. There we go. Right, she'll now take a walk over there. And delete you. Right, who's going to be Club Girl 1? It's got to be the pretty one. Or should it be the stripper? Should I make the stripper? Yeah, we'll make the dancer be Club Girl 1. The only problem is I don't think she can get down, so we might have to teleport her and then tell her to take a walk. Okay, yeah, she can be Club Girl 1, but she's not going to work the way she is because she's got no base or anything. In 10 minutes, I'm going to have to log off, ladies and gentlemen, and that'll be to the end of today's stream because I have childcare coming soon. Well, not for me. I have to look after the child. And it's more awkward to do it when I'm on stream and the door's going bang, 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 bang. So, yeah. So what we'll do is we'll crack on for a little bit. And then we'll call it a stream. After 9 hours, it's a pretty damn good stream. Right, let's make you still dance like, because, you know, you're a beautiful dancer. But we need to make you get down. And I could sit doing nav mesh so she could jump down and everything. I'm just going to teleport her down when your camera's not looking at her. So, but there is actually one thing I did want to Google. Just clicked on now. 180-degree rule. Filmmaking. More than 2 people. What happened if you do that? What happens when you do with more than 2 characters? Yeah, let's go and have a look at that, because I've got plenty of scenes where you have 3 characters, and I don't know what you do. It's not passive with the axis. Yep, look the same. Oh, is that it? Integrate rules. Similar is concerning between 2 actors with a frame of visible ice. Blah blah. But it should not passive with the sign. A camera breaks some rules. Yeah, I know, but what does this do? Tell me how I do it for 3 people. I know what it is because I've done it. But the line of action is there. You stay on one side, which is what I've done. Because then it messes the eyes up and it makes it not work. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's pause the music and we'll watch this video. Hold on.
Establish the action line. And what happens when we break the 180-degree rule.
Oh no,
now let's talk about movement within a scene that can cause the action lines to shift. If your scene has movement that will shift the action line, you'll want to have a basic idea of which direction you'd like to shoot. Let's take a 3-person dialogue scene as an example. Here's an overhead shot of the setup. Our initial action line is between actor 1 and 2 because they will begin the scene by talking to each other.
Okay.
But once actor 1 turns to actor 3 to speak, our action line will shift. We're going to establish our scene by placing the camera here and try to keep this initial point of view in mind when our action line shifts. This means we'll shoot from this side of action line 1 and this side of action line 2. The key to making this work is showing the action that shifts the line. In this case, we want to clearly see actor 1 change his sight line from actor 2 to actor 3. Once we've shown the turn, we can now place our camera anywhere along the 180-degree arc of the newly established action line. Now let's have actor 2 and 3 turn to each other to talk. Looking at the overhead, we can see we now have established another new action line. Based off our initial view, we choose this side of the line. Again, we must show one of our characters turn his head to establish our new action line. Once we've done that, we're free to get shots on the proper side of the line. While something as simple as an actor changing his or her eye line can shift the line of action, an actor's movement can cause the line to shift as well. In this scene, one of our actors begins to walk off, then turns back toward the other. By changing their position, they've also moved the line of action. And now a camera position that would have caused a screen direction shift is well within the newly established 180-degree arc. You can also intentionally create new action lines by using camera movement, neutral shots, or cutaways. In this scene, we've established our action line, but we want to transition to the other side of the line. One quick way of doing this is to show the camera breaking the line. As we move past our actor, our audience is now reoriented to the new screen direction, and we're free to cut to any shots that fall in the 180-degree arc of the newly established line.
This is a really good
video. You can also use a neutral shot in order to reestablish an action line. A neutral shot is obtained by placing your camera on the action line itself, which allows you to then cut to a shot on either side of the action line. In the walking example, we could cut to a neutral shot of the actor walking directly toward the camera, which is on our action line. This frees us to cut to a shot on the other side of the action line without being disoriented. A third way to establish a new line is to use a cutaway shot. In this example, we might use a shot of the surrounding landscape, followed by a shot taken on the opposing side of the action line. Keep in mind that each time you establish a new action line, you are now locked into that 180-degree arc until the line shifts with your subject's action, camera movement, or specific camera shots.
Okay.
Creating a scene with well-selected shots and great continuity is a crucial building block to telling effective stories with video. By understanding the 180-degree rule, you can shoot and edit your...
Okay, this is a really good post. I'm going to post this in the chat if anybody else needs it. Really good website. Because I dislike it when people react to stuff and they don't link to it or anything like that. So I've just reacted. It's just helped us. So that's how we do it then. When we have 3 people, I need to remove it. Yeah, I need to redo it because... Well, okay, yeah, right. Let's go and have a quick look. Which is fine. I don't mind redoing it because it's going to make it better. Them two talking with side to side, that's fine. It's this one I need to redo.
Man, are you...
Oh, my head.
So yeah, at the moment, they're like that. And I need to have the camera here, apparently. So I guess that's, you know, better rule. At the moment... I can't remember what it does. I think it does the left side of every single person.
Where did it?
From that way, I think.
So left side of Agent 2.
Around the block.
I'll go see if I can catch up.
Left side of somebody that doesn't exist. Right, it's the left side of...
Stay here in question. Are you up?
What do you think? I just got.
And then he leaves, so I need to re-choose the 180-degree line. Okay, that needs a bit of work, camera-wise, just to make it match the scenery, but that's good. It's pretty good for now. Right, if we close that off, keep that. So yes, McDaddy. So her, I need to teleport her. So when he's looking at McDaddy Slim, how do you do it when there's like 9 people? Then again, they're all not talking, are they? Because let's see, I need to think of what camera angles I want here then. Because I'm having it that the guy walks up here and is sat looking at him there. And then Agent 2 can be here. Swallows can be in the middle. No, Swallows can be first, then them two. She can say goodbye, guys, if she walks back there. Okay. Then... he could tell her to go off and do it, so we'll be stood this side. And then she... oh, actually, no, should I be stood this side? I don't know. I might just delete that and have a walk around here, to be fair. Because then the two can be stood here. But she needs to get down. Oh, this is tough. Actually, that begin dialogue does kind of work there. So I put it like here, so you actually have to walk in to see McDaddy, but you've got no choice. But as soon as you get here, that you're going to be in there. So, and what I'll do is I'll just spawn this as and when you need it. So she opens up, lets you in. As soon as you hit this bang, it takes control of you and puts you where you need to be. Right, let's replace her. Well, not replace. What are you? Can you move? Kind of. Let's just drop a base in there. Oh no, you can't drop a base in there. Okay, yeah, you'll do. I think you've got a nav mesh anyway, haven't you? Yeah, you kind of look like you do, so you're coming with me. Club Girl 1. Tag of... like so. Okay, so Club Girls 1's there. Now we just need to spire up and make her the right person. Nope. That's it, right. Now she needs the right texture as well. There we go. Oh dear, she's almost there, look. If not, perfectly there. perfectly there. She's there. Right. She's got a static mesh. Does she have any animation blueprints? No. So I need to do a special one for her who's dancing as a spy and then walking, I think. But yeah, we'll do this and then I'll call it a stream, and hopefully I don't have to stream off midstream. Right, so oh, she's already got a spy dancer one. I'm halfway there. Oh, go me. Okay, so we'll put her on the spy dancer one. AB spy dancer. There we go. So she's got that. So she's gonna dance like this chick here does. With you, get ready. We don't need you. There we go. However, there was one I did need to solve. I just remembered now. You lot. Why are you floating now? What are you got? Just trying to figure out why he's suddenly. So you need to be no collision. You need to be no collision as well. Let's see if that works. Hopefully, so just should sit there. But actually, have you got gravity enabled? You have got gravity enabled. So it's. Oh no, you have gravity enabled. No, you don't. You don't either. Okay, maybe it was just that then. Okay, right, let's just see if that fixes it. You, I want you to step back a bit because you keep standing over edge. So do you and you. And it don't work if you're standing over the edge now, does it, Doug? Right. Put you in the centre there. You can dance, you diddly-diddly, your Irish jig, whatever dance you're dancing. You've got a multitude of them, to be fair. There we go. So, oh, she's literally just set up to do a random sequence then. Okay. So we'll do a variable saying be dancing. New state. New GUID. Add state. Create state. Oh, what do I do? That's annoying. I swear you just type new. Is it not state? Is it pose? Because you can do like walks and stuff, I swear you can. What have I done on the other one? Nope, I need the animation graph. That one. Yeah, it's a state machine. Look, copy that, I'll put it in. It'll be fine. There we go. Right, I do want to take you, but not yet. So idle. Test. I am still there, yeah. Right, okay, so we will go. She can have idle, but she can also have dance. Dancing. And the dancing is where we put this. Like so. So if she is dancing, then she'll go into there. Like so. And then we can also make it come back up. And put it here, put a knot on it. And then we just do... ooh. Can transfer, okay. I don't know what that dance was, but... So she's coming in here, she's coming to here saying idle, her dancing is false, but she needs to be dancing by true. Which is not doing anything. Okay, Let's breathing, targeted, retargeted. Drop you in there. Okay, she's still got errors, so she's not compiling. That's because the walk and run cycle's broke. Yeah, she don't have a female walk. Let's go and get one. Spy. Which one was it? Nope. Female spy. I'm going to assume it's Mixer Mode 2. Oh, I thought I had a message saying they're here then, but they're not. Oh no, it's doing the arm thing again. It always messes up when it does the arm thing. It looks stupid. Ugh, it'll have to do. But I'm not happy about it. I still don't know why it's doing it. Uh-oh, there we go, okay. Female walk. Okay, now my guess is that it's these ones here which are moving. Speed, yes. And then that is what I'm assuming a float. What are you? No, don't know. We'll do a float. Because I don't know what type it's meant to be. Right. I compile now. Okay, so she's dancing because she needs to. If I turn her dancing off, she'll stand as idle. If I dance her again, that's fine. She can never dance and walk, so if I set her speed to 1, she won't duo until I go to dancing and tell that. Then she'll walk like a weirdo. Oh, dance this, it's not looping. Loop animation. Loop animation, there we go. No, she's there, so she'll sit dancing until I tell her otherwise. Which is good, so she can stay there. Then at one point I need to teleport her to the floor here. Just make sure I've got a decent spot I can teleport her to. I move it to 88, is that good? Yeah, 88 seems to be good. Okay. So I need to teleport to there. Then I get McDaddy and say here. Because hopefully you won't see it. That's what I'm hoping. And then her rotation, because we're teleporting her, can just stay. Oh, it's 000, isn't it? Then the speaker ID is the club girl. But we are teleporting her. We don't need to search the world for her. She's all good. Ah, oh, damn 80 only does that. There we go. Right. The teleporter there, then she walks. But some way here, I need to update her animation to tell her to pack it in dancing. She just needs to be idle. Which I don't know how to do. Yet. Right, I am going to have to go now, though. I am going to carry on tonight, but that'll be on me Todd off stream, because I'll be child caring. So he'll be playing games, but I need to be able to hear him, kind of stuff. So yes, thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen. We'll do one last commit. You calm down, puppy. You're getting way too excited. I don't even know what. What's this commit then? Feature added McDaddy's dialogue. Feature cleaned up some of the unused audio assets. Feature started dialogue animations for McDaddy. There we go. And then we'll add the to-do as well. To-do, fix 3-point camera for stripper. There we go. No, you're not having a free advertisement. Perfect. So thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you've had fun. It's been a good 9 hours. I'm off for 3 weeks, so we should be able to stream a lot more often. But yes, thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.